Hello everyone, most welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rahma and today I'm going to be taking you through on how to add articles onto the Mendeley desktop. So this is a part 2 of the previous video. For those who have not seen the video I uploaded, you can head to the description box below and get the link for the video. So basically today we're going to be adding our articles onto the Mendeley. So Mendeley desktop is a reference management software used to manage research papers and citations. So without further ado, let's head into our video. So first and foremost, let me take you through on how to get the Mendeley desktop itself. So what we're going to do, we're going to head to our default browser. I like to use Chrome, Google Chrome. So we head to our Google Chrome. Then we type in Mendeley desktop. So as we type in Mendeley desktop, you can see that brought for us very many search results. So you can scroll down and you get this Mendeley desktop download, as you can see it right here. So you click Mendeley desktop download. So as we have headed to this web page, you can see it's giving us the option of downloading for Windows. So specifically for this video, I was able to download the Mendeley, so we can head right into this video. So in the past video, I explained on how to retrieve articles and we managed to store them into a folder. So this is our Mendeley desktop. Let's start our application. So there are two different ways on how you can add your articles onto the Mendeley. So let's create a new folder here. We can decide to name it, let's say, poverty. So if we're to add articles, we can decide to drag and drop articles direct from the folder into the Mendeley desktop, or we can decide to just import a full folder. So now when you head here in the top left corner of Mendeley, you can see there is the option of add, option of folders, the view, the tools, the help. So in order, if I'm to add my folder direct, I can come direct here and I say add a folder, or add files, or add entry manually. So I like to use the drag and drop option at times. So let's try to minimize this. So now basically what we're going to do, we're going to drag and drop each entry into the Mendeley, or we can just add. Let's first start with the option of adding a folder. So if I'm to add a folder, I can come here to option of add folders, and our folder is direct onto the desktop. So we go to the desktop option. As you can see, it has brought for us a number of options, and we managed to store our articles into this folder of poverty, since our research was based on poverty. So we hit the option of OK, and now it's adding. As you can see, it has added for us our articles which are in that folder. It has retrieved the articles and it's arranging them according to the authors here, the title. That's the good thing with the Mendeley desktop. And you can decide also check into one of these articles and we see. So let's look at this first one here, as it is still loading all the files. So it's bringing for us this option, this article, and you can see right here we have the abstract, we have the introduction. Yeah, so that's how basically you can store your documents. Now let's look at the option 2 for adding the files into the Mendeley desktop. So as I said earlier on, we can decide to drag and drop And this Mendeley desktop also does not allow you to add the same articles you've added previously. So if I'm to add, let's say, any documents, we can decide to come here and get any other documents to add into the Mendeley. We'll save files and let's add entry manually. So if I'm to add an entry manually, I can decide to type the journal, the article journal, or even the authors manually, but that would take us a long period of time. So now if I'm to drag and drop, let's open this folder right here. Let's minimize this. If I'm to drag and drop any other articles here, let's create a new folder for this. We can name this documents or recent documents. Let's just say recent. So if we're to use the drag and drop option, we shall just come here, we get any of the files which are here. Let's say, for example, this one. We click, we mint right here, and then drop it here. As you can see, we've managed to retrieve also this document. We can decide to also drag and drop another one. For example, this one, we drop it here also. We can drop as many documents as we would wish. Now if we head here to our folder here, our articles that we retrieved last time are here with their titles, the authors, the dates of publication, all that you may need. Let's close this and try to minimize the whole of this. So as you can see here, it gives us the option for year of publication, the time when we have added these articles, the authors. It can also give the options of citations, the different folders. You can also decide to edit the different documents. Then you also decide to organize this information into library citations instead of this option as a table. So let's hit that and also see. So as you can see, it has cited for us each article according to the years of publication and the authors, so it eases our work basically. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comments and share. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.